coming down the runway from the right. In the left seat is Captain Judd Baker from Charlotte, North Carolina. The other pilot, Major Hunter McAdams from Nashville, Tennessee. The safety officer on board, Captain John Damron from Fairfax, Oklahoma. Here it comes, ladies and gentlemen, the 400,000 plus pound C-17. Watch for the nose to raise. In less than 2,000 feet, this giant aircraft will be off the ground. Ready, and rotate. Departure, don't you think? He's going to be joining up with that AC-47 Spooky out there, ladies and gentlemen, for the cargo flight. We're going to make the AC-47. We're going to talk a little bit about cargo today and make it a C-47 Skytrain during this portion. We used to build automobiles, but without the brave men of the Merchant Marine Fleet, our armies would not have been supplied, and the war would not have been won. In some places where the ships unloaded, airplanes took over. And that would be what you're seeing here today. The C-47 Skytrain, from your right, ladies and gentlemen, coupled up with the C-17, the Globemaster III, in the cargo heritage flight. Few aircraft can boast of a service life as long as that of the venerable C-47. An equally small number can claim to have fulfilled such a variety of roles, from assault transport to gunship. Look at the size differential, ladies and gentlemen, between the C-47 and the C-17. And the difference in the weight. The one on the right weighs 12,500 pounds. The C-17 weighing in at over 400,000 pounds. Speed differential. Flight characteristics differential. The Air Force cargo flight. The ancestry of the C-47 can be traced back to the DC-1 prototype, which first flew, believe it or not, in 1933. By 1946, when production ended for the C-47s, they had built over 10,000 of them. If you flew it in the Navy, it was called the R-4D. C-47 Skytrains were used extensively by the U.S. and South Vietnamese during the Vietnam War, but that's also when we brought in AC-47 Spookies. 2 units over there were equipped with Spookies. The 4th Air Commando Squadron is Da Nang, Pleiku, Phu Can, and Nha Trang, and the 14th Air Commando Squadron at Nha Trang, Ban Rang, Bien Hoa, and Binh Thu. Took 7 people in the Spooky. Here's another pass, beautifully done and expertly executed in formation flying by our pilots today, the C-47 and the big C-17. Sergeant Roger Moore and Staff Sergeant Al Castillo in the C-17. Had 4 crew members. I think Rick Sharp is flying with Mike Kuroff flying the C-47. And there's the pull. C-47 going to orbit while the big C-17 sets up. Are required to fly the C-17. The aircraft's advanced design allows it to accomplish its entire mission.